What's up, y'all, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am here, okay, as me, of course, the one and the only Brandon Jones, someone that is dedicated to helping you make an extra income. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you are down, out, or feel like you had something hard that hit you last week, just know you can always bounce back. No matter where you're at, what position you are in life, there always is a position to improve. Way more positions, way more opportunity, way more strategic things that you can do to continue to benefit yourself, way more problems that's going to occur, a lot more stress, a lot more hurdles, a lot more. No matter what, you can get through it. You got this, okay? So today we're here to talk about the product box. The product box has been flying off the shelf. I am so honored to be able to have you guys trust me enough to be able to provide you guys with products, wholesale products. And I just want to explain to you guys exactly what the product box is. So if you are interested, you can order it. And also, if you are trying to make an extra income, you're watching videos and you're sitting here looking up, how can I make some more money? How can I get these products? Where can I get these products? Short story, right? I was watching on Instagram this guy sell exotic snacks, and these exotic snacks that he was selling, it's like, bro, he's making a killing, because I'm sure the profit margin on them are about 70-80%, because snacks and stuff don't seem to cost that much, but he's probably paying a lot more when it comes to shipping, right? So I'm like, dang, I want to start to do this, but where can I find a product? And the funny thing about that is I ended up doing research, looking it up, like, all right, where can I find some exotic snacks at? And I could not find anywhere. And it's similar with it being electronic items. So I was like, you know what? Let me find a way to be able to get products out to the masses, and let me figure out how I can improve on people getting the opportunity to make money with another income stream. So I ended up creating this one service, and this service is available on IamHustlersMindset.com. Again, IamHustlerMindset.com, and I believe I'm gonna put it on HeTheConnect.com as well. But this service is basically just what it sounds like. It's a product box. It's a box full of products, random products from my store, random products from our warehouse that are selling, trending, getting sales online from different people that we sell with, whether it be MERCARI, Amazon, eBay. No matter what, these products are selling, okay? So what you do is you have an option, okay? If you go to I'm Hustler's Mindset right now and you look in the main menu on the bar and it says product box, if you hit that, you have 3 options: 20 products, 40 products, or 60 products, okay? Now, the 20 products, all you're doing is paying $50. And when you do that, you get the opportunity, honestly, to sit there and flip that $50 into $100 to $150 to more. You get to transform your income from investing just $50 and then selling $20 worth of products at any price point that you want, to be able to see exactly what sells for you, what you like to sell, what niche you fit in, what app you want to use. You get to actually get a foundation and be able to build off of it. See, it's really hard for us to find that when it comes to us just being regular sole proprietors, or if we don't have any type of business plan or business connections, because your net worth is your net worth. And if you don't have these tangible or these accessible connections to get products, I am here to help you, because it's a lot of people that want to make money, a lot of people that want to make extra income. But guess what? It's hard. It's hard out here because you can't find a lot of places too, because people are, one, greedy. People are, two, they're not helping others. It's non-existent. People are not helping you. People are not trying to help you make money. And I feel as though, especially on YouTube, you find a lot of YouTubers that are saying, flip electronics or flip phones and do this and do that and buy my course this, buy my course this, and buy that, buy this, but they're not actually giving you anything. They're giving you information, but the information they're giving you isn't getting you tangible physical results. And that's where me personally, Educated Hustler Brandon Jones, the one that specializes in helping you make extra income, I want to actually give you physical things. I don't want to just sit there and give you a course and just say, hey, I gave you the course, now do what it do. I take your money, I'm good, my hands are dry. No, I want to be able to help you guys get tangible items that you are going to be able to get revenue from. It's going to make sense. You control it. I don't want to control your money. I want you to control your money. I want you to control what you got going on and what you're building. I want you to be able to scope your business or your extra income in any type of way that you want, any type of way possible you feel. So it all comes into you understanding that the product box gives you full control of exactly what you want to do and how you want to do it. And you have the control to sit there and say, okay, I want 20, I want 40, I want 60. And guess what, guys? Let's say you get the product box and you like the products that are in there and you want to order 50 more cubes or 50 more Type-C to USB. And then what you do is you go to HeatherConnect.com and you can order as many as you want. We sell them wholesale. We sell them wholesale for you. So now without a reseller's permit, without a tax ID, without any of that right now, currently, you can make a wholesale account at HeatherConnect.com and actually flip your money. You can go ahead and buy 50 chargers at a wholesale rate and then go sell them higher on a selling app, and that is an extra income. And this is one of the easiest extra incomes you're gonna come across. And it's like me being able to give you guys this access is something that I'm not taking for granted. So that's why I've been working so hard. I haven't been putting out that many videos because I've been working so hard trying to get this done for you guys so that I can continue to build my platform, but also build it at a stable point to where it's not gonna fall apart, to where you guys are gonna be able to enjoy it. And I wanna be able to provide you with that, man. So I hope you guys are understanding the importance of one, income, and two, the product box. Like, you will be able to go ahead and get whatever products you want after this, because once you see, okay, listen, this let's say, okay, so this brick right here is selling really, really good for me. So now what I'm gonna do is, okay, I got this out the product box, it sold immediately, I'm gonna list 10 more. And when I list this 10 more, I'm gonna go to HeatherConnect.com and I'm gonna order them. And when I order them, now I got the supply, so supply and demand. We want to make sure that we're maximizing our income. So make sure you guys are not sitting on your butt procrastinating, saying, oh, I'll do this later. Oh, I think that I'm gonna wait and do some more research, or I think I'm gonna wait. And I'm not saying don't do your research, but don't sit there and procrastinate. Don't sit there and make yourself feel as though you're being productive by just putting things aside. Make it happen. Make this income work. Make your money work for you. Every dollar in your bank account should be working for you. Should not just be sitting there. You should not just let money just sit. Money is meant to multiply. We have to multiply our income, and that's how we can become financially free. So what I want to say last but not least is this. I believe in every single one of you guys, and I think that every single one of you guys has the potential to be able to make money. What I want you to do is, it has nothing to do with me and my products. I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to know that you gotta plan your stuff. You gotta plan it, okay? So this week, make sure, if you haven't already, you're planning whatever incomes you are wanting to get established. But before you start talking about extra incomes, make sure you have one stable one. Make sure you have one stable income and then keep moving on to different ones. But you need multiple incomes, because guess what? Not one is ever gonna be something that you can only rely on. Because if you have a job, that job can shut down, that job can furlough you, that job can suspend you. A pandemic can happen. I want us to be prepared no matter what, and I hope you guys completely understand me, and I hope you guys are hustling and making the money work for you, man. You guys know my purpose. You guys know exactly where I'm coming from. You know what I want from you guys. I just want the best. That's all I want, okay? And I want you guys to be able to smile and continue to be happy and continue to learn and continue to expand. And I don't want you to have restrictions. I don't want you guys to feel as though you don't have the help or you don't have the resources, because if I have a resource, you have a resource, no matter what. So if you guys wanted to book a call with me, you can also go on HustlersMindset.com and book a call. If you guys wanted to DM me at Educated__Hustler. I'm always here for you guys. I may not always be available to sit there and do one-on-one sessions, FaceTiming and DMing back and forth, but I have a dedicated team that will be able to help you guys, and a dedicated team that will be able to answer phones. I always make sure I point you in the right direction. I always will make sure that I get you guys the right help. This light is bright as heck. Woo. My eyes is burning. I want you guys to know I make sure that you guys are taken care of and that I put you guys in the right direction no matter what, okay? So until next time, man, make that extra income, make that money work for you, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.
Put him on the crypto, it was cheap, but he ain't wanna listen. put him on the money, he was broke, but he ain't wanna fix it. It's a competition where I'm from, who gon' be the rich?